Today, I'm going to show you how to use motion tracking in CapCut for PC in a clear, step-by-step way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to track objects, like a soccer ball, using a simple indicator, even if you've never tried motion tracking before. Motion tracking can help your edits look more professional and dynamic, perfect for sports videos, vlogs, and creative projects. Let's jump right in. First, we're starting by going to the text section in CapCut. You'll want to add a new text layer to your project. Don't worry, we aren't making any fancy titles just yet. The text layer is going to serve as a temporary marker, and we'll use it to help us follow movement within our video. Now, once you've inserted the text layer, just add a single dot. That's right, just a period or a simple dot. It might seem odd, but this tiny dot is going to be our guide. A little tip. Make the dot much bigger by adjusting the font size. You want it clearly visible, so it stands out as an indicator for your motion tracking. It's almost like pinning a sticker or placing a digital post-it note right on your video. I find that this helps you pinpoint exactly where the movement is happening. With your dot in place and nice and large, let's move to the crucial next step. Click on the video track in your timeline. This tells CapCut which layer we actually want to animate or track. Our text dot is just a helper, remember? Now, find the option to add a keyframe. Usually it's a small diamond-shaped button near the timeline controls. Keyframes are super important in editing. They mark moments where you want something to change, like a position or size. Think of keyframes like plot points in a story. They guide the action. Go ahead and set your first keyframe where the object starts to move. Maybe where the soccer ball is just beginning to roll, for example. Now, advance the video a little bit, frame by frame, and whenever the soccer ball moves, line up your video frame, or the object you want to track, so it matches the position of the dot you made earlier. Add a new keyframe each time you adjust the position. This part might take a few moments, and it's good to be patient, making sure your indicator really follows the soccer ball's path. If it isn't perfect on the first try, that's totally normal. You can always slide the keyframes left or right later to fine-tune the timing. Once you've tracked the soccer ball across your chosen section of video, it's time to clean up. Click back on your text layer and simply delete the dot. Its job is done. It was there just to help you visually mark the path, and now your video should have smooth motion tracking, seamlessly following the soccer ball as it moves. Finally, give it a quick playthrough. Watch how your edit follows the action, and you should see the object moving naturally, just as you intended. If you notice that something feels a little off, don't worry. You can actually adjust the position of those keyframes to improve the path until it feels right. Motion tracking isn't just technical. It's a bit of an art, and every video is different. And that's it. You've used motion tracking in CapCut for PC, even without any specialized tools or plugins. Just a clever use of text and keyframes. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, and feel free to drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. I love helping you tackle creative challenges, so don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and easy-to-follow editing tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and happy editing!